I couldn't stand having bacteria issues in my lady parts. Doctor's prescriptions, they didn't work. And I mean, I am super sensitive. So certain soaps I used in the shower, different laundry detergents I use, and even being intimate, it caused really uncomfortable symptoms. So I heard from a friend who actually has been going through menopause. She told me to try NeuEve products. So I told her I'm not going through menopause, and she said, well, they have more than just menopause products. She said they had something for me too and other issues. So for BV, I got this. This is the BV Clear, and each pack has 3 vaginal suppositories, and it actually can clear episode of BV up and reoccurring BV. So I actually used the BV Clear, and my symptoms, I think were gone in less than 24 hours. And we all know what the symptoms are, probably. And if you don't know, then check out NeuEve.com. Yeah, anyway, they were gone super quick. They come with a suppository applicator too, so that's really cool. And I only had 1 episode this last time, so the first suppository, it actually worked great. And like I said before, each of these have 3 vaginal suppositories. So after 3 days, I used the second one, even though my symptoms, they were gone. And then I used the last one 3 days. And this just reassures that the symptoms, they're gone. So not having BV anymore, I'm telling you guys, it has made my days so much easier. I was embarrassed to go around coworkers or to be intimate with my husband. So this product right here, it not only relieved those funky symptoms and uncomfortable symptoms, but it actually boosted my sexual satisfaction with my husband. And the BV Clear, which is what I'm using for recurrent BV. I also love that NeuEve does not contain any estrogen, herbs, or drugs. Plus, they do not test on animals or contain any animal products. And these were all invented by OBGYN. And, you know, it just helps out with your pH balance too. This one that I've been using. So they also have a cream. And this is to help with atrophy. Silk is for the dryness. The gold here is for vaginal atrophy, dryness, and painful sex, and BV. But yeah, check them out and start getting either your love life back or just to feel comfortable in your own skin again.